Making potassium, sodium, and ammonium salts. In the previous method, we first put the element that we want, either potassium, sodium, or ammonium, with the dilute sulfuric acid and let it boil until the acid evaporates. Then we filter it out and apply it to heat until obtaining crystals. This was the previous method, but these salts cannot be obtained using this method. They require another way in order for them to be obtained. This method is called titration, solving the problem by using titration. The method of finding out exactly how much of the two solutions you need to neutralize each other is called titration. So it's used to figure out how much of the two solutions we need to put together until reaching the neutralization point. So it's the method of finding out exactly how much of the two solutions we need in order to reach the neutralization point. The point at which an indicator changes color during titration is called the endpoint of the titration. So let's say we have a solution and we want to know how much of the other solution we need to use until we reach neutralization. So we get the first solution and put an indicator inside that allows us to see that neutralization is achieved. So eventually, we start adding the other solution on the main one, and we start noticing it changing color. As you can see in this picture, when we noticed that the color of the main solution changed, we stopped the titration. Here, we reached the endpoint of titration. So the two solutions are now at neutralization. Acid plus base reacts to give salt plus water. As we've said before, acid plus base react together, doing a neutralization reaction to produce salt and water. So the acid and the base undergoes titration to produce the salt that we want plus water.